Universal's Monster Legacy collections have been unleashed.
It's alive! It's alive!
Featuring Dracula, Frankenstein, and the Wolfman. The Legacy collections are now available, containing the original classic movie, plus the timeless sequels.
I am Dracula.
The individual collections contain monstrous bonus footage and sequels never released before, and are now available on DVD. The Legacy collections are also available in a chillingly cool DVD gift box that includes 3 exclusive handcrafted collectible ceramic figures of Dracula, Frankenstein, and the Wolfman.
You have created a monster and it will destroy you.
Also includes 4 more original monster classics: The Mummy, The Invisible Man, The Phantom of the Opera, and The Creature from the Black Lagoon. That's 18 classic monster movies in total to sink your teeth into.
Well, we warned you.
So chill out and complete your classic DVD horror collection with Universal's original monsters. The Monster Legacy DVD Collection. It's to die for on DVD now.